Good evening, or good afternoon, good morning, whatever I might be watching this video from. This video is a guide to now, that is National Open University students on how to download their online facilitations for those that are unable to watch or to attend the live class. So I'm about to just guide you on how to go about that now. So how you can even download some of the online facilitation, the live classes that you have missed because of listening, or maybe because of your tight schedule, you're unable to attend the live classes. So I'm about to log in through the NOUN app now. So there we go. It's loading. So you click on resources, e-learning. I want to make this video as short as possible. You click on login. So it will request for what you call password. Make sure you log in using your password and your matric number. Now I'm already on my dashboard. So you click on my courses. I'll just use one as an example. For example, you can always click on any of the courses, but my target is, I'll click on statistics for economics 2, echo 2, echo 254. So we have all of this here. Nature facilitator, introduction, partial library. But you can click on any of the weeks, either week 1 up to the week 6. So then when you get there, you click on live classes. Clicking live classes. My default browser for now is Opera Mini, but I would not want to use Opera Mini because it will elongate the whole thing. So let me continue with. I like to continue with Chrome. So I may have to log in again because it will still request for my login when I get to Chrome. Chrome is faster than. Then using Chrome, you must make sure that first of all, your browser is at this desktop is checked. I've already done that earlier before now. So automatically, you must make sure that for me, because I've done that earlier, when I get to Zoom, it must be in the desktop site view. So, but for me, I've done that already before now. So logging in for me, it will make the whole thing easier when I get there. So it take me back to the previous dashboard as I have it while using Opera Mini. So I can still click just to give you assurance that I can always click on any of the weeks. So I'm using week 2 this time around. So live classes. So there I am now. I'm already on my Zoom um, yes, with my Zoom app. So you must make sure you also have Zoom app on your phone. So this is the Zoom app now, showing me the upcoming meetings, previous meetings, and the cloud recordings. To confirm what I said earlier, that it must be, can you see? Look at this now. The desktop site is checked, so you must make sure you check for that. So I will click on cloud recording. So from week one, like the very first week, from May 1st, 2025. So you can click on any of the links here. So these are the videos. So for me, I always love to go for the one with the least MBs, so as to just minimize the usage of my data. So if you don't want to click on the video, you can use the audio, depending on your choice. So let me just choose this. Then you must make sure that you long press to copy the password. The password has been long pressed. So then you paste the password, then you click on watch recordings. So I don't have to update my password. So let's wait till this one is gone. So what are we going to do now? You see download up here. Yeah, this is it. If you wish to check whether the video is working, it's not just the live recording.
Hello,
You just
good
want to
morning,
have
please.
it, you can always check to some extent to see whether the
Happy
screen
May Day.
is even shown or not. Maybe you wish to watch the
Shall
live,
probably distribution.
the
Probably
live
ask
or
them the knowledge of
the lecturer
hypothesis testing.
check for the or share
Stimulate
the
student
screen
knowledge
or
of
not. So,
sampling theory. And
but
so on and so
if not,
forth.
if you prefer to go with
So
the
the course
audio,
comprises
you
of
can
3
later
modules,
go back and choose
which are
audio.
words.
So I'm done with that. So you can always press download. Press download. So I've already, yes, it's showing details now. It's already downloading. It's already downloading. Here is it. So you allow it to download. This is it. It's downloading. You see the recording. Because I've already have this on my phone, I may not want to allow it to complete. So this is exactly how to download your online facilitation. That is for those that are able to watch the call it as synchronous class, and for those that are watching later thereafter is asynchronous. So you can always watch the live class asynchronously. So that is that. You can always go back and check if you still have one or two to check and to download every other ones. So that is that. If this video has been helpful unto you, so just like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.